Okay, right now it's about like 4:01 p.m. in the afternoon. It's pretty beautiful today. Yeah, that's why I picked today to do this, because it's gonna get hot. Today is like 20 degrees Celsius. It's slight breeze, and yesterday was pretty cold. Interesting. Anyway, so I sprayed the fender liner with a bunch of soap water and just wipe it down a little bit and rinse it with the water. Now I'm gonna dry it and then reinstall it with a new retainer clip. So I know how to take it off now. It's a pain. It's one of those things that I only do it once in my lifetime, or only once or twice throughout the vehicle's life. Okay, I'm gonna dry it and then reinstall it. A bunch of bugs everywhere, mosquitoes or something. Yep. Okay, beautiful day. Keep going.